Hello, Milwaukee Irish Festival. How's it going? And Fáilte, G'dí Ireland. G'dí the west coast of Ireland. I'm here in Connemara, where I've been spending my time during this pandemic, during these difficult times. So thank you so much for tuning into the concert, and thank you to all the organisers for having me. And I hope to see you all face to face next year. My name is Clare Sands. I'm a musician and songwriter. This is my fancy, swanky electric violin. They're going to be playing some Irish music on here today. I'm going to start off with a song called Saibh Ní Bhrinneadh. Saibh is a woman's name in Irish, and the song is actually in Irish. Irish is the language that's spoken here on the west coast of Ireland, especially in Connemara, so I'm going to be true to the land and sing a song in Irish. It's about a man trying to win a woman's heart unsuccessfully. And then I'm going to go into a tune of one of my own tunes, actually. It's sort of inspired by bluegrass music and some Irish music. So, Fáilte, and enjoy the Ceol Corm.
Níl in bóspring le sang Ní Bhrinneadh bailíonn is scéad is cé déilúir coníní óla Haun Ní Bhrinneadh tóir dom the lovey nail agus in alone Master bad for me gowrad na galway Glock me old is ní ógan in Arigay Óla Haun Ní Bhrinneadh tóir dom the lovey nail agus in alone Master bad for me get you on a glockin Nor a hein she'd and cautious doking ag van and she'd All out How Ní Bhrinneadh tore them the lovey nail is him alone Ní fallach a goal or how Ní Bhrinneadh Och shank hunting down gun gall gum winkle all out How Ní Bhrinneadh tore them the loving nail is him alone Far my man me tow forever Far sluisha is loy gawcian number Oh how Ní Bhrinneadh tore them the loving is him alone
much. That was a song called Saivni Vrinala, followed by one of my own compositions. Hope you enjoyed them. I'm going to continue with a new set of tunes called Sag Connemara. These are new compositions that I composed here in Connemara. They say that there's a lot of ties and influence between Connemara and North Africa, so it's not ironic that these Middle Eastern, North African sounding tunes have come to me during my time here. Buniki Soltas. I hope you enjoyed that set. Something a little bit different. As you can see, I'm sitting down and we're trying to capture the beautiful sunset behind me on the west coast of Ireland. I am being eaten alive by midgets, which is your version of mosquitoes. Did not wear very suitable clothing. Thank you so much to the organisers for having me to play a few songs for you all today. I'm looking so forward to seeing you all in Milwaukee next year. And I really was looking very, very forward to it this year. Alas, it'll be extra special next year. My name is Clare Sands. I should mention also that I will be releasing my funded campaign for my debut self-titled contemporary Irish music record in the next few days. So do keep an eye on my website. And I will see you all next year. I'm going to leave you with a song called The Blessing. This is a song about the Irish blessing. And it's a song hoping that you're all well and will remain well. And we'll see each other soon. May the rain always fall soft upon your fields, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. May the wind be at your back and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hands. Life isn't easy. No one ever said it was. But if you are lucky, you will loved and be loved. And may the rain always fall soft upon your fields, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. And may the wind be at your back and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hand. Trouble and sorrow, they carve the lines on your face, but you don't fear tomorrow, 'cause you will meet it with your grace. And may the rain always fall soft upon your fields, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. And may the wind be at your back and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hands. May your friends be as many as the promises that you keep, and may your laughter in heaven cause the devil to weep. And may the rain always fall soft upon your fields, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. And may the wind be at your back and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hands. In the hollow of God's hands. In the hollow of God's hand. In the hollow of God's hand. Gurmila Magwiv, thank you so much. See you all next year.
Hello, my name is Alison Metcalf and I'm Head of North America and Australia with Tourism Ireland, based in New York. Each year the Milwaukee Irish Fest brings together more than 100,000 people to celebrate the very best of the island of Ireland's rich heritage and culture. There are opportunities to enjoy great music, dance, literature, listen to poetry, learn more about your ancestry, and of course, plan and book that very special trip to Ireland. Tourism Ireland has been a long-time partner and exhibitor at the annual Milwaukee Irish Fest. And while this year will be very different, we are delighted to be part of the virtual Milwaukee Irish Fest at Home live stream event. The programme lineup looks tremendous and I'd like to congratulate everybody involved. As we at Tourism Ireland look forward to 2021 and plan for recovery with our airline and travel industry partners on both sides of the Atlantic, we know American visitors will be looking for opportunities to enjoy Ireland's wide open spaces, spectacular scenery, great heritage and outdoor activities. In the meantime, I would encourage you to visit our website at ireland.com for travel inspiration. We look forward to welcoming you all back to the island of Ireland with a big Céad Míle Fáilte as soon as it's time to travel again. Wishing everyone an enjoyable and successful Milwaukee Irish Fest.
Like the waves of the ocean crashing on the cliffs some more. All the western winds are blowing all along the Galway shore.
From the high walls of Derry to the rolling hills of Kerry,
All across this Irish homeland, there's a welcome at the door. May the road rise to meet you, a smile always greet you. May our friendship be always true and strong. And as the sun sets in the west, I wish you all the best. Please God, we'll meet again before too long.
what the troubles of our world, we leave them at the door.
Raise a glass to friends who've passed, remembering them once more.
And may the luck of the Irish be with you every day.
Who knows what tomorrow brings? Let's live for today.
May the road rise to meet you, a smile always greet you.
May our friendship be always true and strong.
As the sun sets in the west, I wish you all the best. Please God, we'll meet again before too long.
To meet you,
A smile always greet you.
May our friendship be always true and strong.
Damen je was a wile reich agus mi. Ig giche gan stad is gan sternus gan ski. Vi me 7 cloch go lies, rib an nolly gan vreg. A hannish tam a dredgem le 7 cloch a deag.
Well, 4 months of quarantine have left us this way. 4 months of eating by night and by day. I was 12 stone 4 pounds when I first closed the door. Now I'm 21 stone and a few ounces more. Ah ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. Near over my la fathers, near vli me and wa, near scoop ma and chak na near glan me and craw, and tain upper a rin ma, la the unrick is crin, na gerardum and spunog and forkus and skin.
I get up every morning, well sometimes I do, and I start off the day with a big bowl of stew, some rashers and sausages and fries from the town, and 6 pints of porter to wash it all down.
Ha ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
Ren my 3 7 muffin le chocolate wan. Harmas jahan sy'n ein the ledger plan. An an yarn my shit jarmad my chra is mo vron. Why my 8,000 calories gone bogu mohon.
Well, speaking of calories, the doctors all say that 2,500 is allowed every day. But that figure, you see, only counts in daylight. We're allowed the same number again every night. Ha ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. Nisquipum macharach and nehe gamal, and shantashum a queen use a goller fi shall. Marine do me iakla a squabu sane, shinjeru lehihe gamading dar fee.
We clean our teeth faithfully every night still, and then we sit down and we both cry our fill. For when we've put the toothpaste and brushes away, there's no eating again till the very next day.
Ha ha ha! Ho ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
We've both done our best to be healthy, you know. We climb out of bed and we walk to and fro. We climb up the stairs at least once every day. And when we go to the outhouse, we walk all the way.
Wal and Doctor de lap dunyer Clare Arnagy. Veg pompal and yeran de la agus dee. Veg snaw a sig rawiacht I agus la. Gus a nat van na chunje na hiesen se spa. Ha ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. Well, the thoughts of the spa, sure it leaves me enthrall, to be rowing and cycling, going nowhere at all, in a spin class with headphones going out of my mind, being strangled by spandex in front and behind.
Ta machine is a spavian a gibru danyon, agus bunnen shed blonog jan wologs jan pon. Achan kyon wel ma spation har en kyon setach, na an defibrillator se plug I'll just
Ha ha ha! Oh ho ho! Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go.
They've machines in the gym that will trim us all down. They'll take weight off your tummy and weight off your tone. But of all the machines there between you and me, I like that defibrillator checked regularly.
Kedslan legion lasals and 13 bramor. Kedslan lishan yirishkin and burger gastor. Kedslan lishan vachans and bullock more trum. And ye mises a spa by mit tanikas loma. Oh ho ho. Stay at home, we were told, we've a long way to go. Goodbye to the lockdown of COVID-19. Goodbye to the junk food of the old quarantine. When we see you next year, we'll be lighter, you'll see. So kids on to you all in the land of the free. Ah ha ha. Oh ho ho. Stay at home, we were told. Stay at home, Ray and Joe.